How to use LastPass Password Manager. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use LastPass Password Manager. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to lastpass.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And you will be directed on this page, in which from here, it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know LastPass, it is a password management platform and password manager software designed to help individuals securely store, manage, and access their passwords and sensitive information, in which it offers a range of features that aim to simplify password management and enhance online security. And some of those features including password storage, password generation, autofill and auto-login, secure notes, password sharing, password auditing, multi-factor authentication, browser extension and mobile apps, and many more. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plan that you could also avail, and you could choose either personal or business plan. And by choosing the personal plans, it will show you below here some of the plan that they offer, including the pre and the premium plan. And you will see here the corresponding prices on each plan and the list of benefits it included. And we also have here the family's plan. And now to proceed, kindly click this button, Get Started for free, since I'm going to choose the free plan to proceed. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, to create an account, just fill out all of the required information, including your email address, and also to generate your master password. And in creating or generating your own master password, you need to consider the minimum requirements that is also written below. And after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking the sign up button below. And you will be directed on this page. And you will see here that the next thing that you need to do is to simply install the browser extension of LastPass. So kindly click this Install LastPass button right here. And you will be directed on this Chrome Web Store. And from here, just click Add the Chrome button in order to install the LastPass. And while we're waiting for it to install successfully, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the overview about this platform, including some of the benefits it provides, making it easy to keep your critical information safe and secure your online life. And now, after installing the application of LastPass, all you need to do is to kindly click on it to open, and you will be directed on this page, in which this is what the dashboard looks like of LastPass. And you will see here on the left side panel some of the options that you could also navigate. We have here all items, sharing center, passwords, notes, addresses, and any other option. Now under all items option, you will be able to see here that you can import many passwords at once to LastPass. By clicking this button right here, you will be directed on the step 1, which is to choose your source. We have here Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, Explorer, and Safari. While below are some of the password managers. And aside from importing your password to LastPass, you could also choose to add one by one item, in which you can see here the password, secure note, addresses, payment card, and bank account. So basically from here, you can simply enter all the details, not just only your password but also your bank account, in order for you to be easily fill up the fields that are required to enter the bank account, such as in setting up your payment options. Now by clicking the sharing center on the left side panel, from here you can simply click this plus button right here in order to add a folder, in which from here you can simply enter some of the password and other details that you could also share to your friends, family, or to the people that you trust. However, you must have an upgrade account to do so, and that plan is called the family's plan. And if you have now an upgrade account, you can now have an access to share with others, share with me, and manage share folders, which is very helpful to allow users to share password, folders, and other sensitive information with other LastPass users. And aside from that, you can even navigate the passwords option on the left side panel, in which once again you can simply import here your password by simply choosing your source and completing the step-by-step process, including to export and upload, where you can create a custom password file. Or alternatively, you can drag a CSV file in here. And aside from password, you could also navigate the notes option on the left side panel, in which by clicking the plus button, you could be able to add a new folder that contained your notes, in which you could also enter here or customize the folder name in creating your own folder. And aside from that, under the addresses, you can simply enter here your personal info including your name, your folder name, and even add an attachment. While on the right side panel, you'll be able to see here the title, your personal info, first name, last name, your gender, address, and also the addresses and mobile phone, which is also essential in filling up some of the required information or field that are also need to fill out some of the addresses and other personal info. Now moving on to the payment cards option on the left side panel. From here, you can simply add a folder also and customize the name of it. So let's say I'm going to enter here my debit. So basically on this option, it will allow users to securely store and manage their credit and debit card information in their LastPass vault. And also same as the bank accounts option right here, in which users can store bank account info in the secure notes or use it as a custom field in a password entry. And all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information right here. And you can even add an attachment under the advanced settings. So basically, the feature payment cards and bank accounts is designed to make online shopping more convenient and secure by allowing users to quickly fill in their payment information without having to manually enter it each time. And aside from that, you could also navigate here the security dashboard, in which this feature provides users with a complete overview about their security of their online accounts and actionable steps to strengthen their online security. So basically, the purpose of it is to help users manage their digital life and accounts from one central location. And below here, if you want to add items to your vault under dark web monitoring, just click this button below here and it will show you a pop-up window. And all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information and just click the save button below to proceed. And now, aside from that, you could also navigate here the account settings, in which it is a central hub where users can manage and change their LastPass account info, privacy and security settings, email subscription preferences, and other settings to make LastPass work the way they want it to. Now, aside from that, you could also navigate here the emergency access and advanced option, in which under the advanced options, it provides users with additional features and settings to customize their LastPass experience and increase their security. So basically, the purpose of advanced option is to give users more control over their LastPass account and password management experience. And aside from that, you could also navigate here the emergency access option on the left side panel, in which this feature allows users to grant one-time access to their LastPass vault to another LastPass user in the event of an emergency or crisis. And aside from that, you could also navigate here the help option on the left side panel if you need some assistance or if you're having a hard time figuring out how to use this platform. And also, if you want to upgrade your account to fully experience some of the feature that is available, just click the upgrade button below here and you will be directed on this page. And from here, just confirm your purchase and fill out all of the required information to proceed. So that is just how you can use LastPass Password Manager. Thank you.